Studies show that over 75% of Americans are chronically dehydrated, and this may be due to the number one mistake that people make when drinking water. Stay tuned to find out what this mistake is, and how you can easily fix it to improve your health and well-being. Let's discuss the most common mistake that people make when it comes to their water intake. To delve deeper into this topic, let's take a look at some fascinating statistics. On average, Americans consume a certain amount of liquid each day. If we consider both men and women, we can conclude that the average person consumes 4.3 cups of plain water. However, they drink other fluids as well, such as soft drinks, coffee, tea, alcohol, diet soda, milk, and juice. All of these are included in the total liquid consumption, but only a little over 4 cups of it is water. This is a significantly low amount of water intake. It is crucial to understand that drinking other fluids like caffeinated drinks, soda, and alcohol, which act as diuretics, can lead to dehydration. Caffeine and other diuretics increase the production of urine, causing more fluid loss. Similarly, beverages containing glucose, such as sweetened coffee and soft drinks, can also lead to dehydration. Glucose tends to lock up fluids, making them unavailable for the body to use. This is why people who consume sugary beverages tend to retain fluids, which can lead to swelling and bloating. Alcohol is also known to dehydrate the body, and excessive consumption can have severe consequences. It acts as a diuretic, and it can lead to a loss of fluids through increased urine production. Alcohol also impairs the body's ability to regulate water levels, making it more difficult for the body to rehydrate itself. So, it is essential to drink an adequate amount of water each day to maintain proper hydration levels in the body. The recommended daily water intake varies depending on several factors, such as age, gender, and activity level. However, a general guideline is to drink at least 8 cups of water per day. This will help ensure that your body has enough fluids to carry out its vital functions. After a night of drinking, you may wake up feeling completely dehydrated and extremely thirsty. You may even experience a headache, commonly known as a hangover. This is because alcohol is a potent diuretic that causes the body to lose fluids rapidly, leading to dehydration. The mistake that many people make is thinking that they are hydrated because they are drinking a lot of fluids. However, this is not entirely true, as drinking other fluids like sugary drinks or coffee can further dehydrate the body. Therefore, simply pushing people to drink more fluids without addressing the underlying issue is not an effective solution. For example, the average American consumes over 60% of their calories from refined carbohydrates. This can worsen hydration levels, leading to even more dehydration. While drinking more fluids may help to a certain extent, it does not address the root cause of the problem. One issue with modern medicine is that it often focuses on managing symptoms rather than finding a cure for the problem. Even the word cure has been interpreted as quackery or non-scientific by some in the medical community. However, a cure simply means resolving the underlying issue, and it is essential to find long-term solutions rather than just managing symptoms. To truly address dehydration, it's important to consider various factors beyond just drinking more water. One key factor is the balance of electrolytes, particularly sodium, potassium, and magnesium. Sodium plays a crucial role in maintaining hydration, but it needs to be balanced with potassium in a ratio of approximately 2:1. Simply drinking water when thirsty can be insufficient for addressing dehydration. especially for individuals with certain health conditions like diabetes. Diabetics may feel excessively thirsty and urinate frequently, which can result in a loss of fluids and electrolytes. While drinking water can alleviate some of the symptoms, it doesn't address the root cause of excessive carbohydrate consumption, which exacerbates the problem. Therefore, to achieve optimal hydration, it's important to consider a holistic approach that takes into account electrolyte balance, carbohydrate consumption, and other factors that affect hydration levels. By addressing the underlying causes of dehydration, it's possible to achieve lasting improvements in overall health and well-being. What happens when you find yourself craving salt even though you're not thirsty? Understanding the causes of salt cravings can help you address this issue. One possible reason is that your adrenals may be burned out. The more severe the adrenal fatigue, the more likely you are to crave salt. Another reason could be that you just completed a workout and lost a lot of salt through sweat. Alternatively, it may be hot outside, or you have a medical condition that causes excessive sweating and loss of sodium. Suppose you are taking diuretics, which remove salt and potassium from your body. In that case, you may also experience salt cravings due to the resulting imbalance. Similarly, consuming a lot of potassium through electrolyte powder without enough salt can also cause an imbalance. Additionally, if you're fasting and not consuming any food but drinking lots of water, your body may crave salt to balance electrolytes. Even if you follow the ketogenic diet, where you tend to lose a lot of fluid and electrolytes like potassium, drinking lots of water without enough salt can cause hyponatremia, a condition where your blood has a sodium deficiency and can be very dangerous. Drinking a lot of plain water can deplete your electrolytes to some degree. You combine drinking water excessively with exercise and not consuming enough sodium, you could be at risk. Proper hydration is not just about drinking water, it's also about maintaining a balance of electrolytes to retain fluid in the right amount. To address dehydration, it's essential to consume an adequate amount of fluids along with sea salt and other electrolytes. On average, a person who exercises should consume 2 to 3 liters, 8 to 12 cups of water per day, excluding other beverages like coffee, tea, and alcohol. It's especially important to maintain proper hydration if you're prone to kidney stones or following a ketogenic diet. By ensuring your urine isn't supersaturated, you can prevent kidney stones from forming. Adding sea salts, other electrolytes, lemon, or apple cider vinegar to your water can help you maintain proper hydration and fluid volume in your blood. If you drink too much water or not enough salt, you may experience headaches, fatigue, low blood pressure, and dizziness upon standing due to a deficiency of fluid volume in your blood. These are crucial points to keep in mind when considering proper hydration. Have a wonderful day. Thanks you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on health and wellness.